So there are live ones.
Hey, shut up. Tata? Eh. America. Saya kita orang. Dale.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is a female one, and they have a lot of baby. They lay babies, and yeah.
Baby, get out.
कशा कळटा बायल्यो म्हणून?
अरे ओये, धरले अरे. अरे धरले. अरे लहान.
दोन्ही अशे धर एका सायडीन हांव व्हिडिओ काडटा.
उजाड्या गी.
हां वय.
अरे बाईल.
राव.
धरल्याचे लहान अरे.
This is male. कशा कळटा?
अरे देश पण. अरे आता गटा आहे.
Okay.
Apa? Kan ya?
Okay, this is male, and this is what inside looks like. Open ka? Okay, so it's a single one. Raw. So this is a female. The inside of female looks like this. So this one is a male, and this is the female. Okay.
It's open like this. Huh?
This is a cleaning procedure.
Then open this cover.
The back side of the shell. Just a snap, and you get the back side of shell. So this is the back side of the shell. You can see the opening which we showed last time. And this is pretty much the waste thing. So this you are gonna dump it nowadays. So this is the main part, like which you're gonna cook. So basically, you have to remove all the dirty part and cut into pieces, like 2 pieces, and remove all the nails. Before that, you're giving a gentle wash. Then you're gonna add in 2 pieces and remove all the nails. Okay.
Hey, big, the boys, bye. Hey, don't you want to knock yourself down? Yes. Open. Come on. What's the matter? Oh, main cara.
No.
Main kita. What is that?
I'm gonna try to catch one. Still alive. Oh my god. Yeah. So
चिक्के लगने का क्या देता? Very tight. Yes.
There's a snap, and you open the shell.
Yes, open. This is correct. Yes, this cleaning. Release the lock the The nails. Remove the nails and clean it and put it. This nails. Small leg. Big leg you want? Huh? Wait. Big leg, right? See, this is big leg. See. Opening that leg.
It's still alive.
Doctor leg is a small leg. So this like this.
Okay.
No? Yes, just cut it. Put and eat it. Okay? So just use the waste is clothed. Okay? Now you must clean it. Cut it. First, then you clean it.
So these are the clean ones. You can see all the small pieces here. So now you can see all the pieces here. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.